Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make the best banana bread. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, mix together flour and baking soda. Mix well and set aside. Next, in a large bowl, cream together shortening and sugar. Next, we're gonna beat in mashed bananas, eggs, and vanilla. Beat until the mixture is creamy. Now add flour mixture in 2 batches, mixing well after each addition. Once everything is well incorporated, we're gonna use the spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Then grease a 5x9-inch loaf pan. Pour the mixture into the pan. Tap the loaf pan 3 times to release any air bubbles. Then we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes guys, I remove the bread from the oven, then do the toothpick test. If the toothpick comes out clean, it means our loaf is done. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my heart.